In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Autopay in Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn off auto renew so you don't get charged again after your current billing period ends. Start by signing in to your Suno AI account on the website using the account that has the active subscription. If you manage more than one account, double check that you're in the right one before you proceed. It helps to have a stable internet connection and to know your renewal date so you can verify the change right away. Once you're in, open your account settings. Click your profile icon, usually at the top corner of the page, and choose Settings or in some layouts, Manage Subscription. The exact wording may vary, but both options lead you toward billing controls. Next, head to the billing area. You're looking for a section labeled Billing, Subscription, Manage Plan, or Auto Renew. These terms are often used interchangeably, so don't worry if you see one instead of another. What matters is reaching the page where your current plan and renewal status are displayed. Now turn off the automatic payments. Depending on what's shown on your screen, you might see Cancel Subscription, Turn off Auto Renew, or Manage Billing. Click the option you're given and follow the prompts to confirm. You may be asked to choose a reason or acknowledge what will change. After you confirm, Autopay is typically disabled immediately. In most cases, this stops future automatic charges and allows you to keep premium features until the current billing period ends, so you retain access through the date already paid. After you cancel Auto Renew, verify that it worked. Look for an on-screen confirmation message and check your email for a receipt or confirmation notice. Save this message as proof. Taking a screenshot of the status page can also be helpful. If the page shows your plan is set to end on a specific date, that's a good sign the change took effect. If you originally subscribed through a mobile store, like the Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel through that store instead of the Suno website. Open your device's subscription settings for your Apple ID or Google account, find your Suno AI subscription, and turn off Auto Renew there. The store will send its own confirmation once it's processed. That's it. You've stopped autopay for Suno AI, protected yourself from future charges, and kept documentation confirming the change. If you decide to come back later, you can always resubscribe from the same billing area.